The final step in your setup is allowing customers to manage their subscriptions. This keeps everything transparent and reduces support issues. So let's quickly turn it on. Firstly, we need to press Allow Customers to Manage Subscriptions. If you don't see this button here, you can also find it inside the customer portal and retention. It will be right here. Click it. Then on the left, you'll see Subscription Management. Press the plus icon and add the page to accounts. Next, you'll see a Create menu or Add to menu. Let's go with the second one. But before that, you need to save your changes. Click Save. After saving, the customer account menu options will appear, and the subscription management menu item gets created automatically. Press Save again. Now you can see subscription management shows up. But before we close it, let's also add an order action button. It'll show up on the orders page, and add a subscription management button to the thank you page. This way, customers can manage subscriptions right after checkout too. Now you should see that all three steps are completed. If Enable Customer Management is still showing as gray, just mark it as done manually. Once that's updated, we can close this window. This is what your customers will see. They can see their past orders, profile, and manage their existing subscriptions. Click View Details. Now customer can reschedule, skip the next order, change quantity, pause it, or cancel the subscription. Also, after a customer subscribes to a product, they'll automatically receive transactional emails. Things like subscription created, paused, canceled, and upcoming order reminders. These emails keep everything clear for the customer and help reduce support on your end. But this only works if the customer portal is turned on. Now that your customers can manage their own subscriptions, the next step is reducing churn by adding pause and cancellation offers. Next video will show you exactly how to set that up.